In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot to Shopify. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, so you can start displaying your Trustpilot reviews directly on your Shopify store and build more trust with visitors. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look over to the left-hand side and find the menu option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all the apps connected to your store. Inside the Apps section, look for the link or button that says All Recommended Apps and click on it. This will open up a view where Shopify suggests different tools you can add. From here, you want to access the full Shopify App Store, so click on the option that opens the Shopify App Store in a new window or tab. Now that you're in the Shopify App Store, click into the search bar at the top. Type in Fairer and press Enter. Fairer is the reviews app we'll use to bring your Trustpilot reviews into Shopify. In the search results, find the Fairer app and click the Install button. Shopify will then show you a permission screen. Review what access the app needs, and when you're ready, click Install again to confirm. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken into Fairer's setup process. For this tutorial, I'll move through quickly, but it's important that you take your time and go through each step carefully on your own, because these options control how your reviews will look and behave on your site. One of the key steps is enabling reviews on your store's theme. In the setup, you'll see a green button that says something like Open Theme Editor. Click that. Shopify will open your current theme in the theme editor, with the Fairer integration highlighted. Inside the editor, look for a toggle or switch to enable the app embed or reviews widget and turn that on. When you're done, make sure you click Save in the top right corner so your changes actually apply to the live site. After saving, go back to the Fairer setup window. Click on Confirm and Check Site so the app can verify that everything is connected properly. When that check is complete, click Continue. You'll now be asked where you currently have reviews. From the list of options, choose Trustpilot. Follow the remaining customization steps that Fairer provides. They're straightforward. You'll configure how your Trustpilot reviews are imported and displayed on your product pages and other sections of your store. Once you've gone through all of these steps, your Trustpilot reviews will be successfully integrated and visible on your Shopify site.